Hey, good day to you, and cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We're going to do a review on what we call white knob wind-ups, but this is earlier than the 1980s white knobs. These are the 1970s where they were actually wind-up keys. So stay tuned for more. All right, so let's get into the good stuff. This ends up being Red Baron. He is a very, very early, I think they called it Tosaku or rubber man, rubber monster type toy robot. There's a live actor inside, and this was rubberized, and then they animated laser beams coming out of the corners of his wings. But they took a vinyl robot and they decided to make it walk, and so they put all this part's plastic, this part's vinyl, and in the guts is metal. So it's an interesting hybrid, but they call it a walker robot. And when these are smaller and white, they tend to call them white knob walkers. This could almost be a white knob because of the shapes of the feet. They're very stout, so it doesn't tip over. So neat little action. And Red Baron RB is on the belt. Good looking toy. Now after this was produced, probably about 1972, you then had similar imitations. Smaller Japanese companies. The first one was Yanazawa. This could have been based on a Yanazawa design, but it was produced in Hong Kong, and I would say this guy came out probably not that far from a decade later. They used plastic instead of metal. They used nylon gears inside, and they used kind of a flash chrome to make it look flashy and pretty, but the price was, of course, going to be much less. And the gearing is slower, is a little bit less strong of a spring, but a cheaper price point. And it ends up being made in Hong Kong. Good looking graphics. And sometimes in these toys, you just don't get a box. So this particular clockwork box is pretty good looking, but then the Yanazawa box for Red Baron ends up being quite outstanding. And we'll do some close-ups on it. But anyways, enjoy a high level of wind-up robots, pre-white knob robots from Yanazawa in Hong Kong. Here's the Red Baron. RV on the belt. Final head, final upper body. But then steel and metal guts. Steel wind up. And now arguably one of the best aspects. Box art. It's like a miniature shoebox. In Hong Kong. Alright, so keep us in mind when you find robots like this, and we will be selling some from time to time on our site AntiqueToys.com. When you get great collections like this, please write to us. We're at toys@AntiqueToys.com. Have a great day. day. Be sure to check out Secrets and Swag. We've got some good stuff out there, designed by our friend Jay. And have a great day. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Take care.